have many of our products here at Page Turner in Mooresville. I love that all of my activities engage children. They have so much fun. I love when they create their own sensory kits and bins and they come and play with our stuff. I do live in Mooresville. My husband was here and I met him, and that's what brought me to Mooresville. A fun fact about myself is that I used to live in Hawaii and I taught out there for 5 years. When I'm not working, we love going boating on Lake Norman. I would have to say my grandmother. My grandmother always had a smile on her face, and she always was working hard to make her dreams come true. To be a strong woman is someone who can get up every day and just follow their dreams and continue to focus on what they're doing in their life and just give back as much as you can as well.